Hey everyone, it's Mr. Aarons. I got told for this video I got to put on all of my raccoon gear. Unfortunately, I do not have any, but I do have this red and black lunchbox, so I'll be wearing that for this video, and I got this red and black tie, so I decided I'll wear those. Today we're working on our box multiplication, so we're going to dive right into that. So we have three different examples here. We're going to start with a simple one. Our first example, as you can see right here, we got 2 times 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our box. We know it's 1 digit and 1 digit, so we just need one box. Put 2 right here, 8 right here. This one's easy. 2 times 8, you know that one is 16. Easy peasy. Moving on to the next one, it's going to get a little bit more challenging. We have 13 and 7. If we look at 13, we have 2 digits. So we're going to have to break that up. Here's how we're going to do that. We're going to make it a 10 and a 3. We know that 10 plus 3 is 13, so I broke it up into a 10 and a 3 to make this multiplication a little bit easier. Then we're going to have our 7 over here. Draw our box. I bet you could all help me with this one. 7 times 10 is going to be 70, and 7 times 3 is going to be 21. What we do with our last step here is we're going to add these two numbers together. So we got 70 plus 21. 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 2 is 9. And our answer would be 91. All right, on to our challenge problem here. We got a 24 and a 36. I know I can break up 24 into a 20 and a 4. And I can break up 36 into a 30 and a 6. Our grid's going to be a little bit bigger. We got 4 different boxes. Let's start with this top one. We got big numbers. We got 30 and 20. Well, I'll tell you what. I know that 3 times 2 is 6. I know there's a 0 here and a 0 here. So we can do 3 times 2 is 6. Add on those 2 zeros. Gives us 600. Let's move down to this box. We got a 6 and a 20. I know 6 times 2 is 12. And how many zeros we have? We just got this one right here. That gives us 120 right there. Moving on to this box. We got 30 and 4. I know 3 times 4 is also 12. Add that 0 on. 120 as well. Our last one, easy peasy. 6 and 4 is going to be 24. Now our last step to solving this, we're going to have to put all of our numbers together. We got a 600, a 120, another 120, and a 24. Add those up. We got 0, 0, 0, 4. 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 2 is 6. And our last column, we got 6 plus 1 is 8. Final answer would be 864. There's our refresher on box multiplication. Awesome job.